Miku-san, they have hit the second tower.
How could they hit the second tower? What was our defense doing? Did nobody intercept anything?
Are you also fed up at Windows? Why not switch to Linux? Now you may be wondering, what is Linux? So what idiom is Linux? For that, we have to go back in time. Linus Torvalds created Linux in 1991 as a personal project while studying at the University of Helsinki because he wanted a better, free alternative to the Linux operating system. Linus shared his early version online and invited others to improve it, turning it into a collaborative open source project. Why Linux in modern time? Free and open source, no license cost, full control, highly secure, stable, runs fast, even on old hardware. Perfect for coding, servers and customization.
My child, you shall game on Linux now using the Steam Mighty Proton.
OMG, even the Steam allowed to game on Linux? It is the sign to use Linux. It is time to oppose Windows. Join Linux Legion. Listen those danda.
Alright, I want to start using Linux. Where do I start?
So you can't try every distro? So let me brief the main ones. Ubuntu is for those who want Linux, which is practically Windows. Kali Linux is for those who want to get into hacking. Decision for size depend upon you. Arch is for the real ones, who are willing to handle it. Arch requires you to control operating system yourself. Debian is the oldest operating system. That is still maintained by Chaz. Gentoo users live in an open source jungle, with all their appliances open source, and lastly, Bazzite is the operating system made for gaming. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video, it helps a lot.